LangChain is an open source framework that allows developers to combine large language models with external sources of computation and data. Its popularity has soared in 2023 as large language models have evolved and developers are looking for ways to integrate them easily into their applications. LangChain allows you to build end-to-end applications powered by language models. There are going to be use cases where your language model needs to be able to access and understand data related to your business area or some other area of knowledge that it doesn't have currently. Say, for example, you want to use ChatGPT to help you study. We know that this model has some general knowledge, but you can improve on this by giving the language model access to the entire course syllabus you want to learn. You'd then be able to discuss the syllabus with the large language model and learn much more effectively. We can also use an example with business-specific data. Say you want to create a chatbot for your business to assist customers on your website. Unless you're working for a large, well-known corporation, the language model likely won't be aware of your company, or the information could be out of date or need some further context. You can provide your language model with all the information it needs to know about your company so it can effectively help your customers. So, how is LangChain able to ingest our data and have it read by our large language model? The first step is to load in our custom data and break it into chunks, as language models generally have a limit to the amount of text they can deal with at once. We then create numerical embeddings for each chunk of text. This helps us find similar chunks of text within the data, which is useful when our language models are trying to find which parts of text are important when answering a given question. Finally, these embeddings are loaded into a vector store. Vector stores help us find the most similar chunks in the embedding space quickly and efficiently. LangChain can also help you with follow-up actions, such as sending emails based on the response given by your language model. There is so much functionality with this framework, and I encourage you to check out the documentation. For this course, we'll just be focusing on how we can integrate our own data with our large language model. If this is something you're interested in learning more about, check out the dedicated LangChain course on 365 Data Science.